Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through a quick and easy guide on how to disable camera permissions for X, formerly known as Twitter, on your PC. This is especially useful if you want to ensure your privacy while using the platform. Let's dive right in. First, open X in your preferred web browser. Once the site loads, look at the top of your browser window where the web address is displayed. Right next to it, you'll find an icon that says View Site Information. This icon may look like a padlock or a similar symbol, depending on your browser. Click on the View Site Information icon. A drop-down menu will appear, showing various details about the website. From this menu, select Site Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage specific permissions for X. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Permissions. Under this section, locate the option for camera. By default, this might be set to Allow. To disable camera access, simply click on the drop-down menu next to Camera and select Block. Once you've made this change, your browser will automatically save the updated settings. That's it. You've successfully blocked X from accessing your camera on your PC. Taking control of permissions like this is a great way to protect your privacy online. If you ever want to re-enable camera access for X in the future, just follow these same steps and switch the setting back to Allow. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides on managing your online privacy. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.